Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. My 3-year-old is outgrowing all of his clothes right now, so we needed some new jammies for him. I found these ones from Pureborn. We got the size 3T and I let him pick which color he wanted. He picked the caramel color, which is a really nice brown. His favorite color right now is brown. Not getting worn. He wears them all the time. They're his favorite jammies. I like that they're snug fitting. For him, that's really great because he's skinny, so a lot of things would fall off him easily. If you have a larger child, you might want to size up a bit, but these have been perfect for us. They're also nice and stretchy too. But also when his room's a bit colder in the winter, I like to put a wearable sleep sack on him, and these are great for that because they're nice and thin, so it goes right over them really easily. I really like the feel of them. They're not only stretchy, but they're also really soft. If they had these in adult sizes, I would absolutely be buying them. If you're looking for the perfect PJs for your little one, I highly recommend these ones from Pureborn. They are so nice and stretchy, super easy to take care of, and really breathable. They're great, we love them, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.